Hi, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss circles. The first question is on the screen. Let's see the question. Find equation of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the straight lines 2x plus y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 6, x plus 2y equal to 5. Before going to the solution, what is the circumcircle of the triangle? See here, the circle which pass through the three vertices of a triangle is nothing but circumcircle of the triangle. Let's see the solution. Draw a triangle. See here, we have to find the circle equation which pass through the vertices of triangle. Clear? This is the intersecting of this line and this line is vertex A, and this line and this line is vertex B, and this 2 is C. Here the line equation of AB is, according to the question, that is 2x plus y equal to 4. Now the line equation of the BC is x plus y equal to 6. The line equation of the AC is x plus 2y equal to 5. To get the vertex A, we have to solve AB line equation with AC. By solving AB line equation with BC, then we will get the vertex of B. By solving AC with BC, then we will get vertex C. The given line equation, first one is 2x plus y equal to 4. Second one is x plus y equal to 6. Third one is x plus 2y equal to 5. Here, by solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2, we will get vertex B. So, solve 1 and 2 equations. First equation is 2x plus y equal to 4. In order to cancel, we have to make the coefficients are equal. That's the reason the second equation I am multiplying with 2. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y plus 2y equal to 2 into 6 is 12. Now minus minus minus. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. So y plus y minus 2y is minus y is equal to 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Minus minus get cancelled. Y equal to 8. This value you substitute in the first equation in order to get the value of x. So here 2x plus 8 equal to 4. Now here 2x equal to 4 minus 8, that is 2x equals to minus 4, 2 1s, 2 2s. So finally x equal to minus 2. The points of B vertex are B x comma y equal to minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8. Now we will solve the equation 2 and 3. If we solve the 2 and 3 means x plus y equal to 6, x plus 2y equal to 5. By solving these two line equation, what will you get? Which vertex? Vertex C. So here solve 2 and 3 equations. What is the second equation? Second equation is x plus y equal to 6. What is the third equation? X plus 2y equal to 5. Now see here, x quotients are same, so subtraction. During the subtraction, we have to change the symbols. So minus minus minus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Y minus 2y is minus y equal to 6 minus 5 is 1. Therefore, y equal to minus 1. This value you substitute in the equation 2 or 3. Now I am substituting in the equation 2. So x minus 1 equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 7. So the vertex C values are 7 comma minus 1. Now to find the vertex A, what is this? 2x plus y equal to 4 means first equation and third equation. If you solve first and third in order to get vertex A. So here solve first and third equations. Now see here. The first equation is 2x plus y equal to 4. Now what is the third equation? Is x plus 2y equal to 5. Here to eliminate any one variable, here quotients are different. To compare the quotient, we have to multiply third equation with 2. Total equation you multiply with 2. So here first I am writing the first equation as is, that is 2x plus y equal to 4. After multiplication with 2, 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 2y plus 4y, 2 5s 10. Now we will subtract. So here minus, minus, minus. During the subtraction we have to change the symbols. So plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Y minus 4y is minus 3y equals to 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus minus get cancelled. Y equal to 2. We got the y value is 2. This you substitute in the equation 1 or 3. Now I am substituting in the equation 1, that is 2x plus 2 equal to 4. Now 2 you take to the right hand side, that is 2x equal to 2. 2 get cancelled, finally x equal to 1. So by solving equation 1 and 3, we got the vertex A, that is A equal to 1 and 2. See, so A is how much? 1 comma 2. Now vertex B value is minus 2 comma 8 and vertex C value is 7 comma minus 1. Now the question is, we have to find the circle equation, the circle which passes through this ABC vertex. See here, let S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now we will substitute point A. So A equal to 1 comma 2, substitute in the circle equation. Then here 1 square plus 2 square plus 2, g we don't know as is g, x means 1 plus 2f, y means 2 plus c equal to 0. Now next step, 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 ones 2z plus 2 2's 4f plus c equal to 0. Now 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. So 2g plus 4f plus c equal to minus 5. This is equation 1. Now in the same circle equation you substitute the B vertex. So here if you substitute B vertex, B is minus 2 comma 8. Substitute in the circle equation, that is minus 2 square plus 8 square plus 2 into g into minus 2 plus 2f into 8 plus c equal to 0. Now see here, minus 2 square is 4 plus 8 square is 64 minus 2 2's 4g plus 8 2's 16f plus c equal to 0. Now see here, minus 4g plus 16f plus c equal to 64 plus 4 is 68. So it comes to the right hand side, minus 68. Now take the minus common, hence it is 4g minus 16f minus c equal to 68. This is equation 2. Now we will substitute the vertex C in the circle equation. C is 7 comma minus 1. Now implies 7 square plus of minus 1 whole square plus 2g, x means 7 plus 2f, y means minus 1 plus c equal to 0. Here see 7 square is 49 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 7 2s 14g minus 2 ones 2f plus c equal to 0. Next, see here 49 plus 1 is 50. So 50 I am taking to the right hand side. That is 14g minus 2f plus c equal to minus 50. This is equation 3. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve equations 1 and 2. Here, what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is 2g plus 4f plus c equal to minus 5. And what is the equation 2? Equation 2 is 4g minus 16f minus c equal to 68. Now, directly you have to add c get cancelled. 2 plus 4 6g. Here 16 plus minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12f. Here is equal to 68 minus 5 is 63. This is equation 4. Solve equation 2 and 3. Here second equation is 4g minus 16f minus c equal to 68. And third equation is 14g minus 2f plus c equal to minus 50. Now here minus c plus c get cancelled. 4g plus 14g is 18g. Next 16 minus 2 is minus 18f equal to plus 18. This is equation 5. Now solve equation 4 and 5. Solve equation 4 and 5. Here see what is the fourth equation, that is 6g minus 12f equal to 63. What is the fifth equation? That is 18g minus 18f equal to 18 is there. Throughout I am taking 18 common, so that becomes g minus f equal to 1. This is the fourth equation, this is the fifth equation. In order to cancel any one variable, we have to compare the coefficient. That's the reason fifth equation I am multiplying with 6 on both sides. So here fourth equation is as is, that is 6g minus 12f equal to 63. Now fifth equation is I am multiplying with 6 into g, 6g minus 6 into f, 6f equal to 616. Now see here minus plus minus. Now see here 6g plus 6g minus 6g get cancelled. Here 12f plus 6f minus 6f. 63 minus 6 is 57. Next step, f equal to minus 57 by 6. 3 2s 3 1 9. So finally f value is minus 19 by 2. This f value we can substitute in the fourth equation or fifth equation. Now I am substituting in the fourth equation, that is 6g minus 12 into minus 19 by 2 equal to 63. You see 2 ones 2 6. Here 6g minus into minus plus 6 into 19 is equal to 63. Clear? Now here 6g equal to 63, 19 6 is 114, that takes to the right hand side minus 114. 6g equal to here 63 minus 114, that is 51. Here highest number get the negative number, so here negative symbol. So here g equal to minus 51 by 6. So here 3 2s are 3 17s are. Therefore g equal to minus 17 by 2. Now we got f value as well as g value. These two values you note down in the equation 3. So that is 14 into minus 17 by 2 minus 2 into f is nothing but minus 19 by 2 plus c equal to minus 50. Now see here 2 ones 2 sevens. So here minus 17 into 7, 2 2 get cancelled, minus into minus plus 19 plus c equal to minus 50. Now 17 into 7 is minus 119 plus 19 plus c equal to minus 50. Here see minus 119 plus 19 is minus 100 plus c equal to minus 50. This is c equal to minus 50 plus 100. Therefore c value is plus 50. Finally we got f value and g value and c value. Circle equation which is passing through the ABC points, okay, that is s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here x square as is plus y square plus 2, value of g is minus 17 by 2 into x plus 2 into f value is minus 19 by 2 into y plus c value is how much? 50. So plus 50 equal to 0. Now see here x square plus y square, here 2 2 get cancelled, plus into minus minus 17x, here 2 2 get cancelled, plus into minus minus 19y plus 50 equal to 0. Finally the circumcircle equation which is passed through the ABC vertices of a triangle is x square plus y square minus 17x minus 19y plus 50 equal to 0.